Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to change what game you're playing on Discord. So in order to change what game you're playing on Discord, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end, follow the instructions as guided. Now to begin with, go ahead and open up a browser and then log in into your Discord account and not log in from your web browser. When you're logged in using your application, it's going to take you to the home page. Over here, go ahead and tap the gear icon from the bottom left hand side corner, and on this page scroll down right to the bottom and go to activity privacy. So here, in order to make changes with your display settings, you'll be able to see add button under display current activity as status message. Once you do that, you'll need to add a status that you want to add it currently, or what game that you're playing on Discord currently, and then click the save button. As soon as you do that, your changes will be saved. So in this way, you can change what game you're playing on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.